In this video, I will show you how you can rotate an external screen on Mac. So for example, if you have one screen and then you want to have another one which is vertical, here's how you can, for example, make it vertical. To do that, you want to open up your system settings, and then from within your settings, you want to head over into displays. Then here select the correct monitor, so I'll just make it full screen. So I have this monitor right here that is connected. If you have multiple, then you can also select the other one. But from here, what you then want to do is under rotation, click on what it says now, and then select whichever one you want. So for example, if I select 90 degrees, then now everything will be vertical. Now from there, you will just have to confirm it, and otherwise it will be reverted, but then you will have rotated that screen. So now you know how to rotate an external screen on Mac. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.